Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to look for fun places on TripAdvisor. I wonder why you want to know how to look for fun places on TripAdvisor. Maybe because you're going with your friends and you're looking for fun activities like you want to go to the bar, or maybe you just want to go beach for hiking, or maybe you just want to visit any amusement parks and you don't know which place you should choose to go, or there could be any other reason for you. Whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can find fun places to visit on TripAdvisor. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you may check it as well. So first, you have to make sure that you have already installed a TripAdvisor. And if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have signed in and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on your icon of the app to open the TripAdvisor app. Once it gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have some options at the top of the screen and some options at the bottom of the screen. And in the middle of the screen, you will see different places that you could visit. And if you want to stay, you can also look for such places. And there are also restaurants available that you can dine in. There are other places as well available that you could go and enjoy, like their entertainment places, or maybe you just could visit them. So if you don't know where to go exactly, so you have to go to the top of this page and you have to tap on this option. Once you get here, first you have to explain the place that you are going to. Let's say you live in a city but you don't know where to go in that city, so just enter that city of your choice, and whatever the things available in that city, it will show you all the result. So here I'm going for the Los Angeles. Likewise, you can choose any city of your choice, or maybe the city that you live in. Once you select a city, it will show you all the fun and entertainment places that exist in this city to you. These places should not only be fun and entertainment, but there's something that you could participate in or you could feel better at, like theme parks, amusement parks, or different places. So here we have a lot of results. You just have to simply choose any one of these places, whatever you like, by the description or maybe by the pictures that you saw, and whatever you like, just simply tap onto that option. And once that option opens, you can go through all the details of that, and once you like it, you can go to that place. So here I have found this place which says that food tour in Los Angeles. Once I open it, I will go through some of the pictures of the people who have been to this place, read this description, details, price, and all the information related to that. And once we go down, we will also see some of the reviews. Likewise, you can also see the reviews of the place that you have selected, and if you find that place funny, entertainment, or maybe something that you could vibe in into, so you can go to that place. So that's how you can find places in a city where you live, or maybe you're planning to go, and all the funny things, entertainment things, or maybe nice thing that exist in that city will appear on your screen, and from that you can choose whatever you prefer. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can find fun places to visit on TripAdvisor. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.